Don't argue with stupid people. They will bring you down to their level. When you understand you are correct, but they are not agree with you, at this moment you should leave the place. Otherwise, you will be like them. There are a number of people around us. They are proved always what they are doing it is correct. If you say no, it is not correct, but they will say yeah, it is correct. What I am doing it is correct. But when you do something or when you say something, they always try to make it wrong, make it as a mistake. At this moment, you shouldn't give up your work. You shouldn't stay here. You should leave the place, and whatever you are doing, you should keep continue. This is the really essential for every single person. When you do something, people can say you are making mistake, you are the crazy person. At this moment, you shouldn't take this kind of words. You should keep up your work. You know what is the correct and what is the wrong. And one final moment, you will get a result, not a people. So never give up. Start your journey, what you want.